Hello, students. Today we continue learning about insects. And we have been learning that an insect has three main body parts. It has 6 legs, and we are going to focus today in one special insect. But let's review some of the ones that we have here so far. So we have a bee, a praying mantis, a moth, a beetle, and a grasshopper. And all of these animals have 6 legs, have a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. And other animals that are not here but are considered insects are like the butterfly, the dragonfly, and I have some others here. We have a beetle, a fly, a cockroach, and a walking stick. So let's see who's going to be the one that we're going to be working today for the math and art activity. So I have a picture here, and we're going to be taking the pieces off to discover which insect is it. Ooh, it's giving you a clue. I could see 2 legs, an oval-shaped body. It has some dots. Let's discover and remove the next sticky note. Which insect is it? You're correct. It's a ladybug. And we have the ladybug here with a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. And it has the antennas. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. So today we're going to be doing an art activity that will involve some math. And let's review some facts that we know about the ladybugs. We know that they can live almost anywhere in the world. And some of the different habitats that we know of are the gardens. You can find them there, the forest, even in cities. And what do they like to eat? What do they eat? They love to eat aphids. And sometimes they also eat leaves. What they look like, it all depends. But the adult ladybugs mostly have 2 sets of wings. The hard ones are the ones that cover the very soft and delicate wings are underneath. Those are called the inner wings. They also have a head. And they have the eyes there and the antennas, which they help them feel and smell. They also have a thorax, which is below the head. And they have an abdomen and 6 legs. They have 6 legs. What's something else that we know? They have 2 antennas, which are the feelers and what they use to smell. So other things and other facts that we know about them is that they are called also lady beetle. And there are more than 5,000 species. But the most common one is the red one that has 7 spots. So now let's see what we're going to do next. We're going to need a black piece of paper, and I already drew an oval shape, a circle, and then this semicircle to represent the thorax, the head, and the abdomen. And this piece of paper is going to help us represent the inner wings, and this is going to help us represent the other set of wings. We will need our scissors and a glue stick. Okay, so after you cut up the pieces, the first step is to glue the head. Then you're going to add glue to the thorax. You're going to add it below the head. Then you're going to glue the abdomen, which is the black body part of the ladybug. Then you're going to cut this in half. I press in the middle, And then I will cut it with my scissors. I will do the same thing with a thinner piece of paper. I will glue the soft inner wings first, then I will glue the second set of wings. Some people also call it a round shell. Okay, now I drew 3 legs here. I will do the same thing on the other side. So now we will add 5 dots on each wing. Not all of them have it, but this one will have 10. Then we could say that 5 and 5 gives us 10, like we have in this number bond. Another one that you could do is something like this one that could have 3 on one side and 3 on the other one. 3 plus 3 equals to 6. Hope you like this art activity.